Tide, and savings? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that might seem a little out of the ordinary. Does Tide, the brand synonymous with keeping your clothes squeaky clean, offer savings accounts? Now, hold on a sec. Before you click away thinking this is some kind of bizarre laundry detergent and finance crossover episode, hear me out. We all know Tide for its powerful cleaning abilities, but with the ever-changing financial landscape, it's natural to wonder if they've ventured into other areas like savings accounts. So, let's get to the bottom of this laundry list, pun intended, of a question. Does Tide offer a savings account? The short answer. Straight to the point, no. Tide does not currently offer savings accounts or any other financial products. They strictly focus on providing top-notch laundry detergents, fabric softeners, and other cleaning solutions to keep your clothes looking and feeling their best. But wait, there's more. However, the financial world is a vast ocean, and just because Tide isn't offering savings accounts themselves doesn't mean there aren't ways to leverage their brand for some savvy saving strategies. Savvy saving strategies with Tide. Here are a few ways you can get creative and use Tide to your financial advantage. Couponing is king, or queen. Tide offers coupons and promotional deals quite frequently. Keep an eye out for these in grocery store circulars, online retailers, and even on the Tide website or social media pages. Stacking these coupons with store promotions can lead to significant savings on your laundry essentials. Bulk up your savings. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money, especially on frequently used items like laundry detergent. However, make sure you have the storage space and will actually use the entire bulk container before it expires. The power of refill pouches. Many Tide detergents come in refill pouches that often cost less per ounce than the original containers. Plus, it reduces plastic waste, which is a win-win. Consider generic alternatives. Generic laundry detergents often offer similar cleaning power to name brands like Tide at a fraction of the cost. Do some research and see if a generic brand might be a suitable, more budget-friendly option for your laundry needs. DIY laundry solutions. This might be a bit more extreme, but some people swear by homemade laundry detergents made with natural ingredients like baking soda and vinegar. While this might not be for everyone, it's an option to consider if you're looking for a super budget-friendly way to clean your clothes. Remember, saving is key. By utilizing these strategies, you can free up some extra cash in your budget. Even small savings can add up over time, allowing you to put more money towards a dedicated savings account with a bank or credit union. While Tide itself doesn't offer savings accounts, you can still be a savvy shopper and leverage their brand to save money on laundry essentials. Remember, saving money on everyday purchases allows you to allocate more funds towards building a strong financial future, which is something worth celebrating. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.